there's some really cool kind of hidden benefits of speaking. And I think when I really got out there and I started speaking and I was focusing on speaking, it's one of the things that really surprised me. And I knew that if I could get out there and I could do it right and I could do it well, it would make me great money. But some of the things that I didn't know that it would do for me is it would bring me joy. And for me, what's the point in running a business? I mean, go get a job if you're not enjoying doing it. Another hidden benefit is that you really do move people. I still, to this day, get people who write to me and say, I heard you speak 10 years ago. I heard you speak 12 years ago. And when you said, or you gave me that idea. And something about, and if you think about just the world in general, if you think about every great moment in history came from a speech, right? The Gettysburg Address, right? Martin Luther King's wonderful speech, right? In DC, the Sermon on the Mount, right? Most things that happened in history that made an enormous impact on the world came from a talk. And I know that you're here on this training tonight because you want to make an impact. You want to make a difference. The money is really important to you and you want to use that money to do good things for yourself and your family and your community, but you also want to make a difference in the world, and you can do this. In my first years, I built a six-figure business in my very first year through speaking. I don't want to say it's easy to make six figures, but I'll tell you, all I did was speak and I made six figures. So I want you to write this down. I want you to write down, business can be easy when you make things simple. Write it down. Business can be easy when you make things simple. It's not about high tech. It's not about complicated methods. It's not about having to know multiple software systems or hire a huge team to do this. It is not about trying to run a million different concepts all at once and being overwhelmed and spending a lot of money either, right? So if a secretary from North Carolina can do this and can go to six figures in her first year and now multiple seven figures, you can do this. Your life experience has value and you're on this training because you're hungry to share your message. Maybe you don't want a seven-figure business. Maybe you don't want a six-figure business. Whatever it is you want, the difference you're wanting to make in your own life, you can do this.